Once you've received a new assignment, open the WorkTracker app and select the Dispatch tab. Select the job reference and accept the dispatched assignment. Once you've accepted the new assignment, you will be brought to the job details. This is the home page for this assignment where you can add and review information. Some information may already be entered from the dispatcher, like policyholder, loss address, and a brief job description. If these fields are empty, enter the missing information. When capturing photos, you have the option to take photos with or without a caption. Now add your initial reserve and estimate amounts before moving on to the outstanding compliances for this assignment. The red box in the bottom right corner shows the amount of outstanding compliance items for this assignment. Here you can complete your outstanding tasks to make sure you are in compliance with carrier requirements. In this example, we select the outstanding work authorization. After selecting the work authorization, we are brought to the document preview where we can review, correct, and add information that will be used to build this work authorization. Once we are happy with the document details, we can generate the work authorization. Now we can review the final document and capture the necessary signatures that are required for this document. In this example, there are 2 signatures required, one for the contractor and one for the policyholder. Once all fields have been signed, we can submit the document. You will notice the compliance list will update and show one less outstanding compliance item now that the work authorization has been submitted. Next, we need to add the affected rooms and materials for this rebuild assignment. Select the green Add Room button from the Details page. In this example, our affected room is the kitchen. Enter the room details including name, what level the room is on, and the room dimensions. If there is anything specific to note about this room, enter a note into the Notes and Findings field. Now we can capture photos of the kitchen and they will be automatically allocated to this room. After submitting the room information, WorkTracker will ask if we want to add affected materials to this room. In this example, we choose carpet as our affected material. We enter the dimensions of the affected material and mark if this item is to be removed or not by using the demo switch. We then capture a photo of the affected carpet by selecting the photo icon. Once you have finished taking photos, select Submit and add additional materials if needed. Now that your affected room and materials have been added to the job file, you will be brought back to the Details page for review. Use the Dates tab at the bottom of the Details page to record important dates like customer contact date. Here we enter the date and time of when we first contacted the customer. Thanks for watching this WorkTracker tutorial.